Hello, in the previous video I explained the overview of the every mobile tab of iOS. I also mentioned that I will be explaining about each and every step of this tab in detail. So in this video I will explain how to develop a test case using develop test case button. Click on the develop test case button. It will open Sublime Text and APM. You can develop the test case for both a real device and a simulator, but for the demo I am using a real device. You have to make sure that the phone is connected to the system via a lightning cable. Also, you have to make sure that you enable the USB debugging in the developer options. Now, you can write the code for the test case in the Sublime Text using the APM inspector to detect the elements. You have to write minimum 2 scenarios for automation testing. This is the sample code I have written for the automation testing. Once the code is written, click Save the test case based on the naming conventions. I'm going to save the test case in Documents folder. Under the test case, I'm going to save this as MA_settings_tc_001 with an extension of .py and save the test case. This is how you have to develop a test case for automation testing. In the next video, I will explain the steps to prepare the test case which was written in this step. To post your projects, visit our website TestOnNeed.com. For further more assistance, contact us on sales@testonneed.com. Do connect